So on the first quiz, I ended up scoring a 30 on the scale. And basically, what that meant was, according to the survey, is that I'm excellent at recognizing and taking advantage of new trends. I have no problem inspiring other people and other team members through good times and hard times alike. I'm great at delegating, which can motivate other team members to become leaders themselves and step up to the plate. Um, and I am a practical visionary, which means that I don't focus just on thinking about new ways to do things. I actually act on it, and I not only have a good imagination, but I have an imagination that's practical within the bounds of whatever the situation is. I think that is true to me because do have, um, I don't have any issue with inspiring people, and I do that now at Target, even though I'm not necessarily a manager. And as for delegating, I do the same thing, and I did the same thing as assistant manager at Dollar General. I had to delegate different tasks and different things that had to be done each day or each week, and I had no issue trying to delegate and motivating each team member and each employee to do whatever task was assigned to them. And I was always coming up with new ideas how to improve how we do things and what methods we used. On the part two, the color one, I got yellow and red, which means I'm a creator and a performer, and red was leader and promoter. Um, those kind of go hand in hand with the first survey, with me being creative and still being able to perform, as well as being a leader and being able to inspire people to do things on their own as well. However, I don't necessarily think that the surveys are wholly accurate. I think I just got lucky with the result that I got, because I don't really see what kind of car you drive, how that could relate to what type of manager you are, because I drive a truck and I don't really see how that correlates to what type of manager or what type of person you are. And there was just a lot of questions in there that didn't seem very related to the subject or related to whatever type of person you are or type of manager you are. So I don't necessarily think that the surveys are accurate or all that people think that they are, because people take surveys all the time to find out what type of person they are. And honestly, the only thing that's going to find out what type of person you are is your actions and what you do as a person, not some question about what role you would play on a football field, because that doesn't necessarily relate to anything. So yeah, I think that my scores were accurate, but I don't think that the quizzes are necessarily accurate themselves.